I'm Anil Kumar and we will learn this strategy to solve equations with fractions. Here we have three examples which are kind of ratios, and if you have such equations to solve, then the strategy here is cross multiply. Now I'll discuss with you how to apply this strategy. Now cross multiply means we need to solve these three equations one by one. First one is 2x minus 3 over 3 equals to 5, then x minus 3 over 3 equals to x plus 1 over 2, x plus 2 over 2 equals to x minus 1 over 5. Let's begin with the first one. Cross multiply means multiply with this number whichever is in the denominator. Here it is 1, so no need, right? So once you do multiply by 3, then you get 2x minus 3 equals to 5 times 3. You get the idea, right? So just cross multiply. So it is 2x minus 3 is equals to 15, and then you follow your two-step method to solve it further. First step will be add 3 on both sides. So when you add 3 to both sides, you get 2x equals to 15 plus 3, and that is 18, right? So you could write this as 2x equals to 18, and at this stage divide by 2. So you have 2x equals to 18. We are going to divide by 2 on both sides. So we get x equals to 9. So that becomes the solution for your equation. You get the idea, right? So we have followed a lot of steps here to do the needful. Let's follow again this strategy of cross multiplying and see how it works. So we'll multiply both the terms with 3 on this side and with 2 on this side, right? So let me rewrite with cross multiplication. So what I have here is x minus 3 times, you could write 2 on this side also, it is same thing, and 3 times x plus 1, right? Now expand. So 2 times x is 2x minus 6 equals to 3 times x is 3x plus 3. Combine the like terms, bring these x's to the left, so you have 2x minus 3x equals to constants on the right side, 6 plus 3. 2x minus x is minus x, 6 plus 3 is 9. Now divide by minus 1, so x equals to minus 9. So that is how you could solve it, right? So these are the steps involved. So you can now pause the video and see how to do this, correct? So as I said, when you cross multiply, you could write this number before or after. It is same thing. Let's write it before this time. So 5 times x plus 2 is equals to 2 times x minus 1. This is the first step, cross multiply, right? Well, some of you can also multiply by the lowest common denominator, which in this case is 10. So if you multiply by 10 on both sides, then also it simplifies to 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Do you get the answer? 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? So that also works. So you could do common denominator and then solve, or cross multiply is better when you have ratio kind of equations to solve. Now expand. So when you expand, you get 5x plus 10 on the left side, 2x minus 2 on the right side. Bring variables on left, 5x minus 2x. Since the sign will change, you are going on the other side of equality, minus 10 minus 2. 5x minus 2x is 3x, minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. Now you divide by 3 on both the sides, right? So when you divide by 3, with x equals to minus 4. That becomes your solution. Now, as a part of practice, what you should also do is check your solution. Check your solution, right? So that is what you should be doing after solving. So these are your solutions. Substitute the value here and check. For example, if I write 9 here, what do I get? 2 times 9 is 18. So we have 2 times 9 minus 3 over 3, right? 2 times 9 is 18. So 18 minus 3 over 3. 18 is minus is 15. 15 over 3. That is indeed equals to 5. That is correct. So likewise, you can substitute here the value and then check your solution for both, right? So in this case, minus 9 should be written for x on both the sides. minus 4 for x on both the sides, and then solve and check. I hope that helps. Now look into the next set of videos. Thank you and all the best.